In this video, we are going to talk about how we can use Twitter to promote your business online. So if you want to do digital marketing of your business on Twitter, then this video is for you. Now we all know that Twitter is a platform where people share their opinion in a very limited number of characters. So it's going to be a little bit tricky to promote a business online with such limitation of content. But if you follow the right strategy, you can still nail the marketing on. And for that, we are going to follow few steps. So let's start with the step number 1, that is creating your bio. Now make sure while you're creating your account on Pinterest for your brand or for your business, then follow the basic rules of optimization like a clear profile or a banner image and a clear introduction in the bio section. And of course, with a link to your business website, because people are going to read and see all this information before they follow your account. Then comes the next step, that is following other accounts. Now Pinterest is all about community and how you interact with them. So make sure you follow as many people as you can in your category, in your niche, or maybe other business accounts in your category. So make sure you follow various influencers, brands, and various other accounts that you can, which are related to your business. Now the reason why you want to follow these accounts is that to see what kind of content they are posting and how they are posting and how often they are posting text, polls, and website links. So you will get an idea about what kind of content is working for them, and then you can use the same strategy. And then comes the very important part on Twitter, that is reshare. Now if you are not sure what you can post or what you can write on Twitter, the best way to post content on Twitter is to reshare other people's content. So the people whom you are following, there must be some interesting content on their profile or the recently what they have tweeted. So make sure you go ahead and reshare that, and make sure you add your own text with that reshare, so that you will add a little bit of value in that, and then you will be able to add content on your profile. So if you have no idea and no strategy on Twitter yet, then make sure you follow some influencers and big accounts, and then reshare their content daily. And then comes the most important point of Twitter, that is use of hashtag. Now while posting anything on Twitter, the most important thing that you need to follow is using hashtags. If you open the Pinterest profile, you will see the trending hashtags in your area or in your country, and then if that suits your category or your business, you can use these hashtags. Or maybe you can play a little bit smart and use these hashtags, fit that into your business category, and then post content on your profile, so that you can write the trend of current hashtag and people will notice your content and your profile with that particular hashtag. Along with that, one of the plus and the minus of Twitter is that you need to post very frequently in a day. Maybe you can start with 2 to 3 times a day and then take it up to 5 to 6 times a day, because it's all about using hashtags and posting a lot. And the next point is to engage with other accounts. Now you have already followed influencers and other big accounts in your category, and along with resharing with your own added comment in that, make sure you go ahead and add a comment just below the tweet of these other accounts. That comment will give you a lot of exposure in all the following of these influencers and the big accounts. And eventually you will be starting a conversation and people will start engaging with you. So Twitter is not just about creating and posting content, images and videos. It's all about starting conversations, and maybe a very long conversations on Twitter. So these are some of the points that you can use to start your digital marketing on Twitter, and then you can plan your own content strategy that fits your business. So if you have any questions regarding Twitter marketing or digital marketing in general, then feel free to ask us in the comment section below. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो उसको कीजिए लाइक, और ऐसे ही और वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को कीजिए सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन दबाना नहीं भूलिएगा, ताकि हमारे अगले वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे सबसे पहले। और अगर आप अपने वर्डप्रेस प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स की हेल्प चाहते हैं तो वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक्स पे जाके आप उनसे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं।